Well, how to make money. In this video, we'll see some ideas to make some extra income. So make sure you smash this like button and let's get into it. Well, for most of us, we are lucky to have some free time during our day. But how we spend it? That's the question. The thing is that we can use this free time to make something productive or even to make some money, even if you have zero money to invest. So we're gonna start with the basic side hustle is to selling stuff. Selling your stuff that you don't use anymore, that you don't care about. Go on Craigslist or the equivalent in your country. In France, it's Le Bon Coin, or in Canada, it's Kijiji. So yeah, sell your stuff to another person. It can be your bed, your old phone, I don't know, man, some electronic stuff, maybe an old graphic card from your PC. I'm sure you have a lot of things to sell. So yeah, you can start with this. Even if you make like $50, $100, it's the beginning to make some money. And it literally takes 10 minutes. You just need to take some pictures of the stuff you want to sell, write a great description, and just post it in the internet. And you can't lose money doing this. But yeah, that's a great thing to do to start making money. So do it. Second idea to make some extra money is the credit cards. For this idea, it depends on the country where you are. So I will take the example of the United States and France to give you an idea of what is it. So I'm pretty sure you already seen an ad of a bank who promised to you to give you some money if you subscribe to their credit card or if you open a bank account in their bank. I'll give you an example here in France. If you open a bank account in a specific bank, they give you 150 euros. But the condition is that you have to spend at least 50 bucks in the first month. Then they will give you 150 euros. So that's good. And the idea is to open and subscribe to many bank accounts, different banks and different credit cards to accumulate the bonuses. Then you can have easily like $500 only in bonuses in like 1 hour. So in the United States, I think it's pretty similar. It's more subscribing to credit cards that give you the bonuses, because in France it's more like opening a whole bank account in the bank. So yeah, just check the offers from your bank, from the other bank as well, and you will see. So do it because it's a very easy way to make some money. It's like free money, so do it. Okay, third idea to make some extra money, some extra income is to buy and sell stuff. I don't know the exact term, but I think it's purchase resale. Like you buy things to a low price to resell it in a higher price. I will explain you how and what precisely. So basically what I did, I was buying Pokemon cards in the equivalent of Craigslist in France, so Le Bon Coin. Because I was passionate about Pokemon, so I knew the market, the prices of the cards. So I was buying cards which I knew that was a low price, and then I resell it in the same website to a higher price because I knew that I could make money with it. So you can do this with everything, but I will advise you to do it in a domain or a niche that you know the prices. Like don't sell phones if you don't have ideas of the price. But yeah, you can do it with literally everything. You can buy and resell electronic devices, you can do it with clothes as well, you can do it with shoes. I know that it's a big game, so you really need to be passionate about it. It's not drop shipping because you will have the stock, you will have to buy it and receive it at your home. So tourism, find a stuff that you know the price can be increased, buy it, take some good pictures, write a great description about it. Like you have to step up the ad, and then you will sell it at a higher price and you take the difference in your pocket. And that's a great idea to make some money, even if you don't have a lot of money to invest at the beginning. So yeah, do it. Okay. Idea number 5. Monetizing your skills, or your skill if you just have one. We don't have any excuses. We all have a domain, a thing where we have a higher level than the average person. It can be in the informatics, it can be in video editing, it can be in, I don't know, man, the music, the producing, I don't know. We all have this thing. And the idea is to monetize this thing. We'll take the example of someone who is riding articles and he is good at it. You have a lot of websites like Fiverr, for example, where you can post your ad and you basically say that, okay, I'm good at doing this, so I can help you in this for, I don't know, $5, $10. It really depends on your skill, your competence. So people or even companies are going to pay you to do some things that they can't do because they are not skilled in it. They don't have enough skill. So yeah, I really like this idea because it's like making money on your passion, on your skill. So that's really good and I really encourage you to do it. I will give you a link in the description to Fiverr. It's an affiliate link. It will give you I think 20% on your first purchase if you want to buy something to another person. So yeah, make sure you register with this link. And I also have a page on Fiverr. I sell my consulting service to earn some subscribers on YouTube, to grow on YouTube, to make more views, like yeah, to grow your channel. I think the title is I will take your channel to the next level, because in my French channel I have like near 500,000 subscribers. I did like 60 million views in 2 years. So I know pretty much how it works and how to grow your channel efficiently. So yeah, if you're also interested, the link is also in the description. Okay, last idea to make some extra income, extra money, is to open your YouTube channel. Okay, I want to disclaimer. Disclaimer, don't open a YouTube channel if you just want to make money. I think you will be sad. You will be sad because in the beginning you will make videos for free and even you will lose maybe money because you will invest and your video are not gonna be monetized. So make a YouTube channel if you are really passionate, and you have to enjoy the process because you will enjoy everything. You will enjoy your first 1,000 subscribers. You will enjoy when your channel will be monetized. You will enjoy that you build a community and that you talk about a subject you like. So yeah, that's a wonderful experience. YouTube is a wonderful platform, like to share your passions, to build a community, and even to make money with your passion and with your community. So it's like awesome. So if you are passionate about a subject, if you are passionate about YouTube, making videos and etc., open a YouTube channel, and I really encourage you to do it now because it's the best period. Do it now. You'll regret later if you don't do it. So yeah, start your YouTube channel, make videos, and earn some extra income in the beginning. And why not, maybe if you are hardworking in it, you will live with the incomes from your YouTube channel. It's not impossible. So yeah, if you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, you know what you need to do. It's the last link in the description. Yeah guys, it's over for today, so I hope it was helpful. If you like it, just drop a like. It will help me a lot. Like, I'm not kidding, it's really appreciated and it helps a lot. Just make the YouTube algorithm crazy, so smash this like button please. Thank you for watching and I hope I'll see you soon. Ciao.